Did you know the microwave oven was invented by accident? Welcome to Eureka Central, where science surprises pop. In 1945, engineer Percy Spencer was working on a radar machine. Suddenly, a chocolate bar in his pocket melted. He was shocked and curious. He placed popcorn kernels near the radar. Pop! They exploded. Then he tried an egg, cooked, and exploded too. Messy, but brilliant. Spencer realized microwaves could heat food, and the microwave oven was born. One melted chocolate bar equals a kitchen revolution. That's a Eureka moment. Follow Eureka Central for more accidental genius.